Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to change chart layouts in TradingView, especially with the brand new 2025 update. If you've ever wanted to compare different stocks side by side, monitor multiple markets at once, or simply personalize your workspace for efficiency, mastering layouts in TradingView is a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know precisely how to access and switch between layouts in just a matter of seconds. So let's dive right in and make your TradingView experience smoother than ever. First, go ahead and open up TradingView in your browser. You'll want to be logged into your account to get started. If you're brand new to TradingView, don't worry, it's super intuitive and I'll walk you through each click. Now, when you arrive at the main dashboard, you'll see a variety of features and menus. To begin updating your layout, direct your attention to the menu bar at the very top of the page. Here you'll see an option labeled Products. Give that a click. It might seem like just a list of different TradingView tools, but it also leads you closer to where you want to go. Once you're inside the Products section, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You're searching for the Layout Setup button. In the new 2025 interface, it should be pretty prominent to make things easier for users who want to quickly manage the way their workspace looks and feels. Click on Layout Setup and almost instantly you'll see several different choices pop up. These are the various layout options TradingView offers. Think of these options like different ways to rearrange your desk. Maybe you want a single, clear workspace, or perhaps you prefer having several charts open at the same time, comparing the S&P 500, cryptocurrencies, and Forex side by side. Each layout style is designed to support a different workflow, so take a moment to imagine which setup matches your trading style or analysis needs best. Now simply select the layout you want to try. TradingView makes this incredibly straightforward. Just click on your preferred option and you'll see your workspace update almost instantly. This part is really satisfying, especially if you've never played around with your chart arrangements before. Maybe you want 2 charts, 3 charts, or even more shown simultaneously. The interface will rearrange everything neatly for you. It feels a bit like rearranging furniture in your room. You're making your digital space not only more functional, but also more comfortable for your workflow. One important thing to note, while TradingView offers some basic layout arrangements for free, many of the advanced multi-chart layouts require a paid subscription plan. So if you click on a layout option and see a prompt asking you to upgrade your plan, don't be surprised. This is simply how TradingView operates. They tier different layout options as part of their Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium subscriptions. If you're just starting out, the free version is a great way to learn the ropes. But if you find yourself wanting more flexibility or you're a power user tracking multiple markets, it might be worth considering an upgrade. No pressure, choose what best fits your needs and budget. And that's all there is to it. Changing your TradingView layout is incredibly accessible, and once you know where to click, you'll be switching things up effortlessly to match your analysis style, whether you're a casual investor or a seasoned trader. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next, and of course, subscribe for more up-to-date tips and walkthroughs just like this. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.